Hi guys, Tech James here. So today I was actually just looking at Wololo. Basically, this is like a hacking website. It showcases all new mods for pretty much every single console, even iPhone and Android. So I noticed this article for a new 3D perspective mod for Grand Theft Auto Chinatown Wars, which is actually a PSP game, but of course you can play it on the PS Vita as well. So currently this hack only works on the PPSSPP Android and iOS emulator. And if you've never heard of this game before, basically this is what it looks like. It's like a bird's eye view of Grand Theft Auto, and you're kind of playing it like this, so you're looking down on the character. Let me show you some other screenshots. So this is the perspective of the view you get on your avatar, and it's basically like GTA, but this is the view on it. But basically there is this mod which changes the whole perspective, and you can actually view the cars and everything like that. So they've actually released a video on it. This hack has not been released yet, but it's really cool to see this actually will work on the original PSP and actually will work on Adrenaline on the PS Vita. So I will be showing you the video as well. I will also leave a link to the video in the description if you want to watch it in full. And yeah, I think this is actually a really cool mod. We don't actually have many mods on PSP games or on PS Vita games. So it's really cool to see that they actually managed to get this working. So let me show you the video of the demo right now. So this is a quick screenshot of it. As you can see, they the camera hack for GTA Chinatown Wars, and yeah, they've basically managed to change the whole point of view. So here is the video over on YouTube. As you can see, he is using a PS Vita with Adrenaline in this video, but apparently it does work on the original PSP as well. So basically all he does is go ahead and launch up the game, and as I said, I won't show all gameplay, but as you can see, this is what it looks like. The sound works as well. Now there is a few graphical glitches, well obviously there's going to when you change like the whole perspective or something, and the character thing doesn't really seem to work yet, but when you're driving in vehicles it seems to work perfectly fine. Now yeah, I think this is really cool. I will link this video in the description if you guys want to check it out. It's definitely something I'm looking forward to. They did actually say in the description it freezes when you fall into water, and sorry there's no release date yet, but hopefully it does actually come out soon. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm looking forward to this, and it actually looks like a really cool mod, and I hope to see more mods on PSP games in the future. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to check out the video. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.